All right, so here's a look at this stainless steel utility cart. We ended up getting this because we needed something to put our pizza oven on, and this is the perfect size. As you can see, our pizza oven fits perfectly on here, and I love the fact that this has these wheels down here that are gonna lock in. You can easily undo these with your foot by just clicking right there, or if you wanna lock it into place, you can just press it back down. It also will have this handle up here at the top, which is nice because we are always moving this around. Sometimes when it's nice out, we'll move it to one area, but other times when it's cold, I actually will move this over and put it basically right at the door. That way we still can use our pizza oven. The wheels on this are really smooth. They're almost like a rollerblade wheel, which is going to allow you to move it around on bumpy surfaces, which you can see back here in our backyard. We basically just have a bunch of these bricks in the ground, and it makes it a little difficult for some other products that we have to wheel around, but I do like the wheels on here because they're very rubbery, they're large, and they can pretty much move around anywhere. Now you could also use this for many other things as well. Obviously this is something that can be used in, let's say, like an industrial kitchen, or if you're going to be utilizing it for something like food service, this is also a great option. I've also seen people utilize this in their garage even. They can use it for tools, or if you just kind of need to move things around and you want something that's going to be sturdy and easy to clean up, then this is another good option for that. Now when you first get it in the mail, it's going to have a bunch of plastic wrap on it. One thing I would recommend is just take like a hairdryer, put it on hot, and make sure you blow over the plastic. That makes it a lot easier to peel it off. And then putting it together is pretty simple. You've just got these side pillars here and these screws, plus you got to put the wheels on down at the bottom. Just make sure over here on this side when you put this together that you have these two pieces sticking out, because this is where you're going to have to put the handle. Also be considerate on where you're going to put the wheels that have the locks on them. So only 2 of the wheels will have locks. I put it on the side that has here because once you're done moving it, you can easily just snap it down just like that, making it nice and easy. And then when you want to move it again, just tap those wheels and then you can get it moving. Now as for the dimensions on this, it's going to be 35 by 34 by 19. So just keep that in mind as far as your size requirement. This is also going to be able to handle up to about 450 pounds total. So that's going to be including each of the levels here. Another thing I really like about this is that it's going to be all stainless steel, which is going to make it really easy to clean. So I've seen some of the other carts that are kind of made out of things like plastic, but if you get liquids and stuff on plastic, it could kind of seep into it and end up smelling or just looking gross over time. So having stainless steel like this is really nice. You could either just clean it off with a plain rag or use something like a barkeeper's friend to wipe it down and get it back to the original state. But yeah, so no matter what you're going to be utilizing this for, whether it be commercial or home use, this is an amazing 3-tier stainless steel utility cart. So if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely recommend this one.